Start up the main machine. Click OK to enter setting mode. There is test mode, thickness, profile, waveform, grid on the left to choose. There is parameters setting on the right side. Open the Bluetooth in the tablet firstly, and then open the app. Entering the setting mode, click Bluetooth device connection. After searching, there will be no off main machine on the screen. Return to start testing. New build a project or enter the previous project. Select the testing mode as the same in main machine. Select parameters as the same in main machine. Start testing. Click OK on main machine, then click Start. Automatic calibration according to prompts. Start to test. Data is automatically recorded on tablet and main machine.